Hello, this is Royden from DBP Solutions Limited. In this video, I'm going to show you our new product called DBP FAM, Fixed Asset Management. In last week, we did showcase this new product in Singapore in the exhibition of Office Expo Asia 2015. It was a 3 days event at Marina Bay Sands, and we had demonstrated this solution to over 100 customers. Okay, so this fixed assets management solutions is totally based on FileMaker, and in the first part, I will go through the basic asset management, which including tracking the asset location, the asset details like supporting documents, and also I will do a simple demonstration about the asset auditing, the stock take, and we will also go through about the borrowing. And then in the second part, I will show you the full extent of this fixed asset management solution, which mainly cover the list from those property maintenance management or the fleet maintenance management. We'll go through the full extent for the location database, as well as the maintenance and the service orders. Okay, so first thing first, this is the assets database. So in this database, you are seeing all the access that you have registered. If you use it to keep track the office equipment and furniture, then all the records should be there. So you can also, if you are using it in factory, you can also make use of this to keep track those machineries or all the equipments in the laboratories. If you want to see the details of an equipment in front of you, like if you want to retrieve the instruction manual, or you want to see when did you buy it, you want to take it to repair, then all you need to do is to click to tap this barcode scanning, and then you can scan the barcode that you stick on the equipment. So I assume that every equipment will have the barcode label stuck on it when you first register all the equipment in this system. And in this system, it will also help you to print the QR code and assign the QR code as well. Okay, so in the screen you see we have the photo. You see this equipment was assigned to who. You see the condition. You see the location and purchased from who and the purchase day. Okay, so on the upper part, you can use your finger to swipe to the right, and then you can see this is actually the invoice or warranty registration form, which if you want to, you can open it. The third one is the instruction manual given by the equipment. It's actually a PDF file with many pages. You can open directly from FileMaker. From FileMaker Go on your iPad or iPod Touch, iPhone, any iOS device. And now this shader actually is the shader in our office. Even the first time I tried to use it, I didn't know how to shut papers, because after putting the paper there, I don't know how to start it, and it's time wasting for me to read the instruction manual. So it's good to have your admin staff to record the operation, maybe just a few seconds, 10 seconds clips, so everybody can learn quickly from. This is knowledge sharing. Let me show you. Okay, if you play it the full screen. Okay, so this is actually the video. Now you put the papers there, and then it has no buttons. So all you need to trigger the shredding is to press the top of the shredder. So this is this is it. No need to watch the whole thing. Okay, so this by making use the upper part, you can store all the supporting documents, pictures, PDF, video files, all the supporting documents, and then for every XAT, if you want to know what is it, you just need to make use of any iOS device, and then scan the barcode on the equipment or on the computer. Then you can get the result like this. So the upper part, you can use your finger to swipe, and then the lower part you can also swipe. You can swipe to the second tab, which you can see the audit history, or the movement of this equipment. And if we make make use of the full function of this fixed asset solution, you can even see the related maintenance requests and also the service orders for this particular equipment. Okay, so now if you have all the access here, if you need to know, for example, if your HR department tells you in next week you have a new staff starting to work, and then you need to see whether you have you have a computer which is available for him or her to use. Then you switch to available, and then you can see all this access are available. Okay, so and then you see there's one Apple MacBook has not been assigned to anyone. Then if this new staff if the new staff is good at using Apple, then we can assign the MacBook to him or her without purchasing a new one. Then it's very easy. Then if you need to then if the HR tells you there are more than one, maybe there are actually two new staff reporting to work in next Monday, then you have only one computer which is available here. Then you know you have to buy a new one. Then you need the next thing you need to do is to make a purchase decision to buy a new computer. But in our access we have so many computers. We if we need to choose a reliable one, then we can make use of the search function here, like using the quick find. We find type in the keywords computer, and then you have a list of all the computer you have right now, and then you can check the maintenance history for each product. Like this the last Mac we saw had no maintenance request before, and this one has one. And then we move on to see the Lenovo. This one we bought it just maybe just this year, but it has got 2 maintenance requests. So you can make comparisons by checking the maintenance history. Then you can find to help you to find the reliable one. And then but if you need to do this every day, then we can also customize the system to make the reports that help you to analyze the things that you need to speed up the decision making. Okay, so let's go back to the x-axis. So this is, and then the next thing I'm going to show you is to do the stock take. Doing the stock take, this is the stock take page. When you are at a particular location, like if you are in the meeting room, or in a particular shop in a building, or a particular area, like the warehouse in your building, then you can scan the location. Like I just scan a location in this room 2041. You should find there are 5 registered equipment in this room. So these are the information given by the system, and you should be able to find these 5 access from this room 2041 And if to proceed the audit, then well, when you see an equipment in front of you, find the barcode and then scan it. You tap the match up, and then for example, I just scan the shader, and then if the system can match up, then it will show it up in highlighted, like the one showing on the screen, and then you can tap the condition, and if the location is same as the location given by the system, then no need to specify the new location. But if you couldn't find it in this location, you can scan the new quotation or type the new quotation code, and then the system would know that the location has been changed, and system would do the updating after you press the submit button. And this is how you carry out the stock take for your access at different location one by one. So this is about the stock take. So I will click cancel, and then go back to the all access page, and then for available for borrowing. So if just like the iPad, we don't have an iPad assigned to each staff, because they may need to use it by project basis. So that's why when they need it, they would find the admin to allocate one for them for a time period. So that's why we'll register all the iPad, but before our staff have any projects using it, all the iPad would be put in the admin hands. Then in this case, if a staff approach the admin to want to borrow the iPad, then the admin simply to do is to check out the asset, because this asset is not checked out, and then they would choose the staff. They can choose the staff, and then enter the location, and then choose the location which this equipment will be used, and then set the due date, maybe 3 months or maybe 2 weeks, and then the system would also manage the due date and as well as the location change. And this is how to do the borrowing.